Namaskaram everyone, this is the fourth video of the first episode, and here we go with the quiz session. The first question is on your screen. Which institution developed the Central Suspect Registry? And the options are Reserve Bank of India, Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, Central Bureau of Investigation, National Investigation Agency. And the correct option is option number B, Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center. The next question, which state government has launched the SHE She Cohort 3.0 initiative to empower women-led startups? And the options are Odisha, Haryana, Punjab and Gujarat. And the correct option is option number C, Punjab. The next question, Project Veer Gatha 4.0 is a joint initiative of which ministries? And the options are Ministry of Education and Ministry of Sports, Ministry of Culture and Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Defense and Ministry of Education, Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Youth Affairs. And the correct option is option number C, Ministry of Defense and Ministry of Education. The next question, which it's not from which, it's from cyber security, and the cyber security grand challenge has been launched by whom? Ministry of Defense and the Indian Army, Ministry of Science and Technology and ISRO, Ministry of Home Affairs and Niti Aayog, Ministry of Technology and Data Security Council of India. And the correct option is option number D, Ministry of Technology and Data Security Council of India. The next question, which country has developed the world's first deep sea radar that can detect high flying aircrafts? And the options are USA, Russia, China and Japan. And the correct option is option number C, China. The next question, how many children were awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025 by President Draupadi Murmu? And the options are 17, 15, 16 and 18. And the correct option is option number A, 17. 17 children were awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025 by President Draupadi Murmu. And the next question, which organization approved the second living drug Kartini for treating blood cancer? And the options are Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, none of this. And the correct option is option number B, All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. The next question, how many people have been announced to be given the Padma Award by the Government of India in 2025? How many people have been announced to give the Padma Award? And the options are 121, 135, 140 and 139. And the correct option is option number D, 139. 139 people have been announced to be given the Padma Award by the Government of India. The next question, which bank becomes the first Indian bank to implement Clarify's NCRP integration solution? And the options are Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, Bank of India, Bank of Baroda. And the correct option is Punjab National Bank. The next question, Rani Durgavati Tiger Reserve is located in which state? And the options are Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. And the correct option is Madhya Pradesh. The next question, India hosted the second BIMSTEC expert group meeting on cyber security cooperation in which city? And the options are Hyderabad, Chennai, New Delhi, and Bangalore. And the correct answer is option number C, New Delhi. The next question, which day is observed as the International Day of Education every year? International Day of Education. In which day it is observed? And the correct option is option number A, 24th January. 24th January is observed as the International Day of Education every day. And the next question, which country will host the Chess World Cup 2025? And the options are India, Germany, USA, and Norway. And the correct answer is option number A, India. The next question, which player won the ICC Men's T20 Cricketer of the Year award? And the options are Kuldeep Yadav, Rishabh Pant, Surya Kumar Yadav, and Hardik Pandya. And the correct answer is Surya Kumar Yadav, option number C. Mount Ibu is located in which country? And the options are Egypt, Latvia, America, and Indonesia. And the correct option is option number D, Indonesia. The next question, what is the name of India's first indigenous micro missile system designed to counter swarm drones? And the options are Bhargavastra, Agni, Vayu, and Saryu. And the correct option is Agni. Agni is the first India's first indigenous macro missile system designed to counter swarm drones. The next question, in which state is Kok Borak Day celebrated? Kok Borak Day is celebrated in which state? Tripura, Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh, or Rajasthan? And the correct option is option number A, Tripura. The next question, who recently won the India Open 2025 men's single title? And the options are Kidambi Srikanth, Yachas Pranoy, Victor Axelsen, Anthony Ginting. And the correct option is option number C, Victor Axelsen. The next question, which organization has launched the Quantum Processor Below? And the options are Amazon, Google, Meta, or Microsoft. And the correct option of this question is option number B. Option B, Google. It's not number, it's alphabets. And the next question, Abdal Puri Island is located in which ocean? Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, or Arctic Ocean? And the correct answer is option number B, Indian Ocean. The next question, which country has recently developed the world's first deep sea radar that can detect high flying aircrafts? And the options are USA, Russia, China, and Japan. And the correct answer is option number C, Japan. The next question, in which state Indirama Atmiya Bharosa scheme was recently launched? Indirama Atmiya Bharosa scheme was recently launched by Telangana? No, yeah, correct. It's Telangana. Option number B. The next question. Which state's Tablio won the first prize in the state's Union Territories category at the Republic Day Parade 2025? And the options are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan. And the correct option is option number C, Uttar Pradesh. The next question, who inaugurated the Handloom Conclave Manthan? Narendra Modi, Giriraj Singh, Piyush Goyal, या Smriti Irani. And the correct option is option number B, Giriraj Singh. The next question, which city will host the AI Action Summit 2025? And the options are New York, Paris, Geneva, or Tokyo. And the correct option is option number B, Paris. The next question, how many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? And the options are 4, 5, 7, or 6. And the correct option is option number C, 7. 7 individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025. The next question, Jitendra Pal Singh has recently been appointed as India's new ambassador to which country? United States of America, Israel, France, or Japan? Oh, sorry. The last option is Germany. The next, before going to the next question, we have to answer this question, option number 27, and the answer is option number B, Israel. And the next question, where were the UTTs, Union Territories 86th Senior National and Interstate Table Championship 2024 held? And the options are Bhopal, Surat, Mumbai, or New Delhi. And the correct option is option number B, Surat. The next question, when was World Leprosy Day celebrated? And the correct option is option number D, 26th January. 26th January is celebrated as the World Leprosy Day. The next question, who has been elected as the President of Belarus? And the options are Michael Martin, Francois Barua, Alexander Lukashenko, and none of the above. And the correct option is option number C, Alexander Lukashenko. And here is option number C. And here we have completed the 30 quiz questions, and 20 questions we will see